Hello everyone, Nendoroid here, and it's time for another episode of Outside the Box. Welcome to my channel, and this is where I review some of the latest action figures and collectibles in the market. And from time to time, I also teach tutorials, diorama tutorials, and give some tips and tricks on how I can help you with your toy photography. I know it's been a while since I created my last content. My apologies. I know it's been a rough year for everyone. There were a lot of changes, exciting things happening right now, so I'm adjusting to those changes, and also I'm adjusting to the new normal. But I know and I'm hopeful that the coming days are going to be fun and still filled with so much adventures. But I want to say thank you so much for waiting and for your continued support and for always watching my videos. So for today's episode, we will be unboxing and reviewing the latest Mickey Mouse Nendoroid from Good Smile Company. And this is the Nendoroid 1503 Mickey Mouse, which is the Fantasia version. Now, I'm very excited with this one, being a huge Disney fan. And of course, this version of Mickey Mouse is as iconic as his classic look. So when I saw the preview and the announcement of this Nendoroid, I was really elated and I couldn't, wait to get my hands on this figure and see what amazing things I can do with my toy photography. Now, before we begin, I would like to thank KG Figure for sending this Nendoroid to me. If you're looking for Nendoroids and other action figures, please check out KG Figure's online shop for more of their amazing products. Also, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not yet a subscriber of my channel and you like my content, please hit the subscribe button and follow me on my social media accounts. Now it's time to bring Nendoroid Mickey Mouse outside the box. Now let's first look at the box. Nendoroid Mickey's box has this midnight blue and yellow color scheme with stars and galaxy accents, very reminiscent of his famous Sorcerer's Apprentice scene in Fantasia. It has several images of Mickey on both sides and at the back, and it has more images illustrating different poses you can do with this Nendoroid. Now, the most important reminder here is this one. Always remember that this figure is not for kids and is only recommended for ages 15 and up. Now let's go take a look at what's inside. Opening the box, you will see the blister packaging. It has two layers of blister packs, one for the main figure and another one for the additional accessories of this Nendoroid, because this includes a lot of parts which I like very much. It also comes with a manual where you can check all the instructions you need to play with this Nendoroid. Let's take a closer look at Nendoroid Mickey Mouse. Okay, so here is the Sorcerer's Apprentice Nendoroid Mickey Mouse. Looking at the sculpt and paint, he has a very cute face and it's well painted. It captures the likeness of the modern Mickey Mouse very much. The color shade is very nice and is close to the animation color. I like how the robe is sculpted and it has the little details like folds, his rope belt and hoodie, and he even has this adorable brown medieval shoes. Of course, he has the wizard's hat, where in the animation this is actually from Yen Sid, wherein Mickey tried to use his magic to make his chores easier. Now, for the articulation, just like majority of Nendoroids, there's really not much range in terms of articulation with this figure. All you can basically do is tilt the head a little forward, back, and rotate sidewards. Same goes for the arms and hands. You can move his arms forward and swivel his hands. For the legs, you can push it a little forward and back. You can't really push it further because his robe is getting in the way. You can also tilt his toes a little bit. He comes with two interchangeable faceplates, including his smiling expression and a faceplate when he was scolded by the sorcerer. He comes with three interchangeable eye parts, so you can have Mickey in different expressions. He also comes with additional arms and hands and this spark or magic effect. Changing his expression and posing is very easy. First, remove the front part of his hat, which is attached to his cute ears. Then remove the faceplate and change it with the expression that you want. Reattach everything together and you're done. You can give Nendoroid Mickey a new cute expression. Additionally, Nendoroid Mickey also comes with a broom and 2 buckets as optional parts. I'm really happy that Chia C included the broom because that scene wherein Mickey used magic to make the broom do his chore is really iconic. So the broom is really well sculpted and the paint is really good. It even has an arm articulation so you can angle the way he is walking or holding the buckets. You can simply attach the buckets on his hand and you can already recreate the magical scene from Fantasia. Lastly, Nendoroid Mickey Mouse comes with a special base made in the image of the animation scene in Fantasia. I really like this base, it literally gives this Nendoroid a special platform. I also like the sculpt and colors of the little waves and how it's going around the base. Now aside from this special base, there's also the standard Nendoroid clear base, but attaching Nendoroid Mickey Mouse in this base is also very easy. Just use the stand arm and attach it on the hole in the special base. And that's it. My verdict for this Nendoroid is I really love it. This is as equally magical as the animation. The Nendoroid perfectly captures the art style of Mickey Mouse and Fantasia as a film, with the paint job and its amazing sculpting. If you're a fan of the animation and a big Disney fan like me, this should definitely be part of your collection. There are a lot of accessories to make this Nendoroid even more enjoyable. I have several Mickey Mouse Nendoroids and I think this is one of my favorites. I really love the nostalgia it gives and how it inspires me to shoot beautiful photos. Alright guys, that's it for now and thank you so much for watching my video. And I hope this video was able to help you in any way if you're thinking of purchasing this Nendoroid. Now, I want to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this Nendoroid? Do you like it? And also, are you a fan of Fantasia? And do you agree with my review? Now, if you have your opinions, I would love to hear from you. Just comment them down below. And also, if you have suggestions or requests on which Nendoroid or any action figure you would want me to review next, please let me know or just send me your suggestions and requests. That's it for now. Always remember to stay safe, be kind, and be awesome. Jamata. Bye-bye.